Aslamoalikum dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today we will discuss about some of the MCQs of English literature. So let's start. Our first MCQs is, what is the main theme of Dr. Faustus? Correct option is option B, thirst for power. Second, in what country is Dr. Faustus based? Correct option is D, Germany. Third, which of the following is a comedy written by Shakespeare? Answer D is the correct option, As You Like It. 4. Paradise Lost is a dash epic poem. Answer B is the correct option, blank verse epic poem. 5. Of Human Bondage was written by. Answer B is the correct option, Somerset Maugham. 6. Who wrote Woman in Love? Answer D is the correct option, D.H. Lawrence. 7. Who wrote Waiting for Godot? Answer B is the correct option, Samuel Beckett wrote Waiting for Godot. 8. Who was the author of A Farewell to Arms? Answer C is correct option, Ernest Hemingway. 9. Caesar and Cleopatra is a play by. Answer B is correct option, G.B. Shaw, George Bernard Shaw. 10. Who is the poet of beauty? John Keats. Answer B. John Keats was the poet of beauty.